Good evening, everyone. This is a market update for January 29th, 2015. And the market went up today. um, I think, a lot of people came out with the reason. Janet Yellen is talking up the market in front of whatever committee. And the euro, there is rumors that they're going to buy Greek debt. So I think that's good for the euro. I don't see how you buy in debt for a country that will never pay you back is a good for everybody. But anyway, again, they are looking for reason to buy. And the market moved down in the morning, reached support around 1990, and then moved back. So we are still in this trading range. You actually, a lot of people can trade this range. It's not bad range, 60, 70 points. So on the SPY is going to be 6, 7 points. Also, you can buy the SPY here, sell here, and sell it here, and buy it here. And people make money doing this as well. It's just not fast trading, but it can make money. The Nasdaq actually is a little bit more encouraging than the S&P 500 because it is actually did a higher low here. And let's see if this continues. The news from Apple will help the Nasdaq. So if this proved to be a higher low and it moved up and it break this resistance, it might go higher. But as of now, it's still trading before the 50 and it's still in this range till we get clearance. Gold took a hit today, and if you review yesterday video, we said that's yesterday was not encouraging the performance, and we said our line in the sand is right here around 1267, and we said if it broke the support, look, we're gonna go very quickly to 1250, and it did happen. Once the uncertainty about the currency market went out and the euro started moving higher, gold took a big hit. I think it was like 2% move or something like this. Now we are right at the 50-day moving average, 200-day moving average, which was resistance before last year. We will see if it will act as support and gold can stabilize here. Long term, I'm still bullish on gold, but as of now, this is not a bullish action. Gold has to stay above the 200-day moving average and start moving higher for people to get excited and start buying gold again. Silver actually did way worse than gold, and now it's went down through even this supposed to be prior resistance. Now it's supposed to act as support. It went right through it with no hesitation. That's not a good price action. So silver might even move lower. GDX, however, is stabilized here around 21 or 21.13. And if it did continue here and move higher, that would be good. Can the miners move higher than while gold is not moving? Remember, the energy prices are very low now, and that's a huge cost for miners. So when the cost goes down, your profit goes up. So I'm not surprised if the miners outperform gold. Last year they underperformed big time. Maybe it is going to be different this year if the oil prices stabilize here or even when lower. Skyworks still working. It's 84.19 today, so if it's working, it's working. Just keep it and let it do what it's doing, going up. Financial, again, I'm still looking at this trading range right here, and now it's in the upper part almost or going there, and I'm expecting it to move higher. If it broke that trend line and start stabilizing or move sideways, then I'm not going to be short the financial anymore. But as of now, I'm still short, and I will look if it start moving lower here, maybe add to this short. The MACD just doing horrible. The RSI is doing bad too. So there might be room to run down for financial. We spoke yesterday about Apple, and I said I would not buy Apple right before the earning or yesterday when it's moving lower the whole day. But now we have, the support right here, 115 or so is proven to be our line in sand. You just need to know where your stop loss is going to be. And yesterday didn't give me that information. Today it did. So 115 is support. If if you want to trade Apple and it's gonna go higher from, you think it's gonna go higher from here, which is 120 is gonna be resistant, and it's almost there. So it might move higher. They came up with very good earning, and it was moving sideways for a while. But if you want to buy Apple, I think, in my opinion, is this is your line in the sand. Your stop loss. Stock that we didn't mention before is Monsanto. We mentioned Mosaic before, but it didn't do. It moved already. Give the move, and now it was sideways. But Monsanto here is in this volatility squeeze, and you see here when the bands get closer to each other, get closer and closer to each other, it will move one way or another. It doesn't tell you it's going to move higher, or it doesn't tell you it's going to move lower. It just tells you it's going to move, and the move is going to be big. So you see here back in October, there was volatility squeeze, and it moved lower for a while, nice percentage from 115 all the way down to 106, 9% move or 8% move is not bad. Then it moved higher. They came out with the earning, I think, recently on January 7th or something like this, and it was good. But the stock didn't move, and now it's squeezing again. The chart is not perfect because the RSI is moving lower. The RSI is moving lower. The MACD is moving lower. This is the Bollinger Band width here is 3.49, which is, if you look at it, it's as low as it can be for this stock for a while. So this stock is going to move. This is what I know. It might move higher, it might move lower. So keep it in your watch list, and I'm gonna keep looking at it and see once it starts moving, and maybe get out of those Bollinger Bands, or those Bollinger Bands start expanding again. One way or another, I don't care. You can make money on it moving up, or can make money on it moving down. It might be a fast mover and can be a good trade. Another stock also that's in volatility squeeze is NWL. However, be careful, the earnings tomorrow before the market opens. So it is gonna move. This is definitely is gonna move. My bet is the move is gonna be higher. Why I'm saying this? Again, here, let's just explain what's going on. The MACD, since here it's moving lower, right? Okay. However, if we look at the CMF, it is moving higher. So people are accumulating that stock, more money going into the stock before the earning, and in an area that's consolidating like this. One way that sometimes I play this is not, remember I said I don't like to trade before earning, that especially like, this tomorrow. So I wasn't gonna buy it today. But if the earning was not an issue, if there was no earning tomorrow, I would actually buy here, just, based on that it is it's in the winner circle right here. The stock is moving higher. It's in a volatility squeeze that hasn't been for a while, and is gonna move. Now I have to bet, is it gonna move higher or lower? And my bet, based on that past performance, is it's gonna move higher, because of the stock has been moving higher before, and the stock is under accumulation for since the beginning of the year. So I will watch the earning tomorrow, Usually Fridays I don't do any tradings, but I will take a look at it and see if it start moving higher and stabilized. You know, the earnings were good, whatever it is, and moved higher and kept, you know, kept moving higher. I will get in and we'll wait and see what's gonna happen. What is my line in the sand? Is today's low. That's basically what's gonna be. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.